Hello everyone. Up until now, we were using an XML file to configure the Spring container. In this chapter, let us see how to use a Java class to configure the Spring container instead of using an XML file. Here is how we do it. Step 1. Create a Java class and annotate it with @configuration annotation. This class is called configuration class. Step 2. For each bean tag, create a separate method and annotate the method with @bean annotation. Step 3. Within each method, create an instance of the desired class. See here, new input controller and a new output controller. Step 4. Configure the instance if required, that is, assign values to the properties of the instance. Step 5. Add a return statement to return the instance. Step 6. Set the return type of the method to the desired class or its super type. Finally, add the necessary mapping, that is /input/output, and same way here. Next, we need to configure the servlet container by making some changes in web.xml. Set the appropriate values for the context class, param, and context config location. See here now, this is the container implementation that will be used. Annotation config, web application context. So earlier we were using XML web application context. Now it is annotation config web application context. And then instead of XML file, now we are using a Java class as the configuration file. One more thing, name of the bean method will be the ID of the bean. For instance, see here, name of the method is equal to the ID. If we want to provide a custom value for the ID, then we can specify it along with the bean annotation. Now ID of the bean will be some ID. Let me switch over to STS. Here are our classes and here are the declarations. See here, we have a method for input controller and output controller. And one more thing, I have used the names as 1, 2, 3, 4 for the methods. Please don't do that. I have just given it for demo purpose. In production, don't use such names. Use some meaningful name. Now let me build the application. Start the server. Launch the application. Enter the name, age, 6 and hit submit. Well, a record got created and the result is displayed here in the output page. Thank you for watching.